Hi! Welcome to Agrieuro's YouTube channel. In this video, we will introduce you to the main features of the product. Please note that Agrieuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The RES20 from the Top Line series by Agrieuro is designed for a wide range of functionalities. This backhoe stands out for its ability to precisely perform transplanting work, create efficient drainage systems, level soil steps, remove stones and debris, as well as clean ditches and watercourses. Its design aims to ensure an effective and versatile response to different types of interventions. Characterized by a mechanical lateral translation system, the RES20 offers the possibility to move without the constant support of a tractor. This feature makes it particularly suitable for work in confined spaces or complex environments, ensuring operational dynamism. The excavation arm, capable of rotating up to 180 degrees, ensures exceptional mobility and operational flexibility. The main joints, made of tempered and ground cemented steel, promise durability and visit our official website Agrieuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.